Our next problem is a pediatric safe dose problem. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look at the first question is what is the child's weight in kilograms? And to determine that, the child weighs 40 pounds, and we are going to put in our conversion, and our conversion for this is going to be 1 kilo for 2.2 pounds, and that's going to give us 18.18 kilos for the child. Now, the next thing we want to do is to determine the low end of the range of the medicine and the high end of the range of the medicine. The first thing you want is the low end range of the medicine is going to be 0.041 milligrams per kilo, and this is daily. So we want to go ahead, since we've already figured out the kilos, we can actually go ahead and just enter the kilos in, and that will leave us with the milligrams, and the milligrams would be 0.745. And it does say, well, it doesn't say, but we would, since it's a pediatric problem, we would want to go ahead and round that to the hundredth. So it'd be 0.75, okay, per day, milligrams per day. On the high end, we have 0.06 milligrams per kilo times 18.18 kilos, and that's going to equal out to 1.091, which would round to 1.09 milligrams per day. Okay, so we can go ahead and enter those in. The low range is going to be 0.75. High range is going to be 1.09. At this point, you need to make sure that you have compared the order for the patient, which is daily, to the high and the low, which in this case is also daily. But you do have to watch your problems because sometimes those will be different, and you have to make sure that you're comparing apples to apples. Okay, our range for this patient, the order is 0.75 milligrams, which is right on the low end of the range. So is this ordered dose within the safe and therapeutic range? Yes. And since it is within the safe and therapeutic range, now Part B asks us, how much will we give? We're going to end up with meals, so we're going to start with what's available. We have 0.05 milligrams per meal. Our order is 0.75 milligrams over 1. Cancel out your milligrams, and what we're left with is 15 mils. If by chance this was not safe and therapeutic, you would have entered 0 here and you would not have calculated this.